Check this out. Check it out.
The case against a former Pennsylvania nursing home worker is expanding. The nurse, already charged in 2 homicides, is now being linked to more than a dozen other deaths. ABC's Rena Roy is here now with more on that. Good morning, Rena.
Gio, good morning to you. Yeah, this story was already disturbing when we found out the initial details several months ago. And now investigators say there are even more victims allegedly killed by the woman responsible for their care.
This morning, authorities deepening their investigation into a former nurse already facing charges of murder of 2 patients and now accused in the deaths of more than a dozen others.
She intentionally and maliciously injected them with insulin to kill them.
Investigators say Heather Presti has confessed to attempting to kill 19 people at 5 different Pennsylvania care facilities as recently as this year, 17 of them dying, including 68-year-old Marianne Bauer.
The family, quite frankly, is sickened by the recent events.
For 2 years, Bauer's family believes she died from respiratory failure while battling MS. But then a shocking turn of events this past September. Their attorney says investigators informed them Presti admitted to killing her with insulin. Bauer was not diabetic. The family now suing the facility where she received care.
They have to relive the nightmare of re-mourning, re-grieving, and trying to deal with the circumstance knowing they placed their mom in a facility where someone killed her.
Officials say Presti's victims were 43 to 104 years old. The criminal complaint alleging she would administer lethal doses of insulin during the night shift when staffing was lowest. And if she sensed a victim would pull through, she'd take additional measures to try to kill the victims, including administering a second dose of insulin.
And one of those medical facilities where Presti worked telling ABC it shares in the horror and pain she caused. The former nurse is being held without bail. Her attorney is saying she is cooperating with investigators.
Thank you for watching our digital media, and thank you for your support.